This is CNN Breaking News.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. We begin today with breaking news from the scientific community regarding unusual solar activity that has captured the attention of researchers worldwide. NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration have issued a statement confirming an increase in solar flare activity over the past 48 hours, prompting heightened monitoring of the sun's behavior. Scientists say the surge in solar activity is part of the sun's natural cycle, but some recent flares have been classified as strong, with the potential to disrupt satellite communications and radio signals here on Earth. While there is currently no cause for alarm, experts caution that any further escalation could lead to more significant impacts on power grids and GPS systems. The Space Weather Prediction Center has assured the public that they are closely tracking this development and will provide updates if the situation changes. For now, officials advise staying informed and keeping an eye on further reports as scientists work to determine whether these flares pose any real threat. We will continue to follow this story and bring you the latest updates as they become available. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Good afternoon. Over the past several days, we have been closely monitoring an unprecedented increase in solar activity. Earlier today, our data confirmed that a powerful coronal mass ejection, or CME, has been ejected from the Sun and is currently on a direct trajectory toward Earth. Based on our latest models, we anticipate the solar storm will reach our planet within the next 24 to 36 hours, with effects beginning as early as tomorrow evening. The strength of this event is significant, and while we cannot yet determine the full extent of its impact, we do know that it has the potential to disrupt satellite communications, GPS navigation, radio transmissions, and, in extreme cases, power grid infrastructure. We are working closely with government agencies, power companies, and emergency management teams to prepare for possible disruptions. At this time, we strongly advise the public to take precautionary measures. Charge essential electronic devices, prepare for potential short-term power outages, and stay updated with official guidance. We will continue to provide updates as we gather more data. Thank you.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States National Guard and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Widespread rioting, looting, and civil unrest have been reported in multiple major cities across the United States, including Los Angeles, New York City, Houston, Chicago, Philadelphia, and others. Law enforcement agencies report that rioters are causing severe property damage, igniting fires, and engaging in violent confrontations. Multiple injuries and fatalities have been confirmed. Authorities have also observed rioters carrying firearms, melee weapons, and tactical gear. These individuals pose an extreme threat to public safety. The unrest appears to be driven by growing panic over the incoming solar storm, expected to impact Earth within the next 24 to 36 hours. For your safety, all residents are strongly urged to remain indoors. Secure all windows and doors, and avoid any interaction with rioters. If an intruder forcefully enters your home, take all necessary steps to protect yourself and your family, including the use of defensive force if required. Do not engage in these riots. Those participating in criminal activities will be arrested and may face severe legal consequences. Law enforcement and National Guard units are actively working to contain this situation. Further updates will be provided as new information becomes available. Stay tuned to local media and official sources for the latest developments.
Good evening. We are continuing our special coverage on the ongoing solar storm that experts have been tracking for the past several days. Within the last hour, scientists have confirmed that the first wave of the storm has begun impacting Earth's magnetic field, with reports of communication disruptions, GPS failures, and power fluctuations in several regions. Authorities are urging the public to remain calm and limit non-essential power usage as utility companies work to stabilize the grid. Airports across the country have reported GPS malfunctions, forcing temporary groundings of flights, and emergency services are experiencing intermittent radio blackouts. We are now receiving reports that parts of the Midwest and Northeast are experiencing rolling blackouts as power grids struggle to compensate for the sudden geomagnetic surge. Residents in affected areas should prepare for extended outages and keep flashlights, batteries, and other essentials on hand. For more on this developing
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Energy and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 2 a.m. Eastern Time, a catastrophic failure of the national power grid has been confirmed. The ongoing solar storm has severely disrupted the electrical infrastructure, causing widespread and uncontrolled blackouts across the United States. Several key power stations and substations have been rendered inoperable due to intense geomagnetic interference. As a result of this storm, power outages are affecting nearly all regions of the country. Communication networks, including internet and cellular services, are severely degraded. Water treatment facilities are offline, limiting access to clean drinking water. Emergency services are operating at reduced capacity due to widespread system failures. The restoration of power may take days, weeks, or even longer in some areas. As a result, all citizens of the United States, regardless of where you live, are strongly advised to follow these instructions. Conserve all remaining power sources, including backup generators and batteries. Stockpile food and water immediately. Without power, water supply systems may fail completely in the coming hours. Use candles, oil lamps, or other non-electric light sources once the sun sets. Be cautious to prevent fires. Limit phone use to preserve battery life, as charging capabilities are now limited. Stay indoors after dark, as law enforcement presence is severely reduced. Use battery-powered radios to receive further emergency information. Secure your home and remain aware of your surroundings, as reports of looting have already begun in some areas. The federal government is working to assess the full extent of the failure and will provide updates as soon as possible. Remain calm, stay informed, and prepare for prolonged outages. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States Department of Homeland Security. At 2:15 a.m. Eastern Time, the nation's 911 emergency call system has failed due to widespread power and communication outages caused by the ongoing solar storm. As a result, citizens are no longer able to contact emergency services via telephone. As a result of the outage, 911 emergency calls will not go through. If you attempt to call for help, you will not receive a response. Fire, police, and medical response times will be drastically delayed. In some areas, emergency services may be completely unavailable. Hospitals and emergency shelters are experiencing overwhelming demand. Those requiring urgent medical care should seek help locally if possible. As a result, all citizens are strongly advised to follow these instructions. Do not rely on phones for emergencies. Seek local assistance from neighbors, community centers, or available authorities. Use alternative communication methods, such as battery-powered radios, if they are still operational. Avoid unnecessary travel, as road accidents may go unattended. Fire prevention is critical. With emergency response unavailable, any uncontrolled fire could spread unchecked. If you require urgent medical aid, go directly to the nearest hospital or designated emergency center if it is still operational. At this time, there is no projected timeline for restoring emergency communications. Further updates will be provided as the situation develops. Remain calm, use caution, and stay informed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Homeland Security and local law enforcement agencies. At 1 p.m. Eastern Time, a civil danger warning has been issued for multiple states across the United States. Authorities report that due to the ongoing power outages, more riots have broken out in various cities, exacerbating an already tense situation. Cities affected include Los Angeles, New York City, Chicago, Houston, Philadelphia, and many others. As a result of these events, widespread looting and vandalism have been reported, leading to significant damage to businesses and property. Participants in these riots are engaging in violent behavior, posing a danger to themselves and others. Authorities are struggling to maintain control, and the situation is fluid and evolving. All citizens are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Avoid confrontations with rioters, and do not engage in any form of violence. If necessary, defend yourself using appropriate means. However, only use lethal force as a last resort in life-threatening situations. Stay tuned to local news stations and the emergency alert system for updates and instructions from law enforcement. Stay vigilant and prioritize your safety. This is a dangerous and rapidly changing situation.